Okay, so we're going to Chuck E. Cheese today for fundraising for my school. And Yola's wondering why her school doesn't do that. So my school, I mean, they don't do fun stuff.
They don't do fun stuff?
Let me take it. Yeah, they don't do fun stuff.
Oh,
but
do fun stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, but we're here and I am driving, so she's gonna have the camera because I don't record when I'm driving. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese, and from Chuck E. Cheese we're gonna go to soccer, and from soccer we're gonna come home. It's so crazy. Their schedule for soccer is crazy. Like they go to soccer twice a week, 3 times, yeah, 3 times, and we're there for 2 hours. So it's so crazy. Anyway, I am going to, I think we're going to see what's in the attic very soon. Yeah, and I think what's gonna happen.
We're talking about that. And
about what's in the attic.
Like that wouldn't be any squirrel or raccoon. What in the world?
I don't know what's in the attic. I personally want to find out what's in the attic because I heard it again. So now I stay downstairs. I don't even stay upstairs. But anyway, we're gonna go look at what's in the attic. You girls gonna come with me?
No. I will.
You will? Do you want to?
Okay. I will.
Really? Oh no! Okay, get your I know.